Dad, I got English homework again today.
Oh, really? What's the topic this time?
I have to describe my family in English.
That sounds interesting. Talking about family is always special. So, what exactly do you need to do?
I just have to say a few sentences about each person in my family.
Perfect. Let's make your sentences sound more natural and fluent together.
My family is good.
That's a nice start. But let's make it sound better. My family is very loving, and we enjoy spending time together.
My family is very loving and we enjoy spending time together.
Excellent. You can also add, I feel lucky to have such a caring family.
I feel lucky to have such a caring family. My dad's name is Tom. He works in a company.
That's right, but make it sound more natural. My dad, Tom, works in a big company in the city.
My dad, Tom, works in a big company in the city.
Perfect. What kind of person is your dad?
He's kind and hardworking. He always supports me and gives great advice.
Excellent. What do I like to do in my free time?
On weekends, he goes jogging in the park and sometimes cooks breakfast for the family.
Ha 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 ha. That's true. I do make the best pancakes.
My mom's name is Sarah. She's a teacher.
Good. Let's expand that a bit. My mom, Sarah, is a teacher. She teaches at a local school and really loves her job.
My mom, Sarah, is a teacher. She teaches at a local school and really loves her job.
Nice! What kind of person is she?
She's very caring and always keeps our home warm and happy.
Beautifully said. What does she enjoy doing?
She loves cooking new recipes and watching gardening videos on weekends.
That's true. Her food is always delicious.
I have one younger brother. His name is Alex.
Good start. Try this. I have one younger brother named Alex. We are very close and play together every day.
I have one younger brother named Alex. We are very close and play together every day.
Perfect. What kind of person is Alex?
Alex is cheerful and full of energy. He tells funny stories and makes everyone laugh.
That sounds like him. What does he like doing?
He loves drawing superheroes and watching cartoons after school.
Aha, that's my boy. That's
My grandparents live in another town, but we visit them often.
nice. You can also say, they live in a quiet village, and I love spending my holidays with them.
They live in a quiet village, and I love spending my holidays with them.
Excellent. What do they like doing?
My grandpa enjoys reading newspapers and telling us stories from his childhood. My grandma loves knitting and makes warm sweaters for everyone.
That's sweet. What happens when they visit us?
When they visit, we sit together after dinner and talk for hours. Grandpa tells funny stories, and Grandma always brings homemade sweets.
That sounds wonderful. It shows how close our family is.
Now it's my turn. I'm Alicia. I'm 15 years old and I'm a student at Green Valley School. I love learning English and making new friends. In my free time, I read books, listen to music, and take photos of nature.
That's great. You're learning a lot every day.
Yes. And on weekends, I help Mom in the kitchen and play badminton with Alex in the park.
Nice. You're active and creative. That's something to be proud of.
Every evening we have dinner together and talk about our day. Sometimes we share funny stories, sometimes small arguments, but we always end up laughing.
Haha, that's true. What do we usually do on weekends?
On weekends, we go shopping or watch a movie together. Sometimes we visit Grandma and Grandpa or have a picnic in the park.
And what about festivals or holidays?
During holidays, we decorate the house, cook special food, and invite our relatives. At Christmas, we exchange gifts. And on New Year's, we make family goals for the year.
That's such a beautiful family tradition, Alicia. Okay, let's test your memory. Ready?
Yes, let's go.
Who is your mom? And what does she do?
My mom's name is Sarah. She's a teacher and loves cooking and gardening.
Good. What about your brother?
My brother's name is Alex. He's funny, creative, and loves drawing superheroes.
Perfect. And what do you like doing in your free time?
I love reading books, listening to music, and taking photos.
Excellent. You sound confident and natural in English.
Thanks, Dad. It was fun learning with you.
And friends, if you enjoyed learning English with us today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.
Yes, keep practicing English every day. And remember, learning English is easy when you enjoy the process.
We'll see you again in the next episode of English a la.
Bye, everyone. Have a great day.